On today's episode of SGL Moving, we're here to do a packing job for one of our customers. Michelle and I are going to take care of the dishes and the items that are in the cabinets. Usually we come the day before to prep everything and get it ready for the next day. But today on this job, it's small enough for us to complete the packing and do the entire apartment. That's what we're going to do today. I hope you guys enjoy. Sometimes the customer will have bins or things that we can use. In this case, he advised me to use this bin for his DVDs. He said he loves his DVDs, just to make sure I take care of them. This is one of my all-time favorite movies. They did part 2. Very disappointed with part 2. The Happy Gilmore is hands down in my top 3 favorite movies. So a little trick that I like to do, I like to save some of the plastic when I finish the job. I use it for a time like this. So wrap this up, bowl it up, and it'll actually protect everything in here. Or you can go spend a crazy amount of money on bubble wrap. Items like this, I like to use the actual bubble wrap. Something like this, you really can't get away with using the plastic. I would have to bubble wrap this item especially. Again, all the extra plastic that I brought keeps it in there. If you don't have extra wrap like this, you can always get your roll some up, tear it off, and stick it inside the box. That's why I like to save some on a previous job so I can use it for a time like this. Always check the box from time to time to make sure it's not extremely heavy. On the box that has fragile items like this, I like to put some plastic on top.
And wet fishes.
When packing, no, I'm just kidding. Oh, sorry. JK, damn, somebody got hurt.
What I was mentioning, when I do jobs and I finish, I unwrap everything and I take some of the plastic and use it again for something like what we're doing right now. I'm telling you, this is probably the best thing to do. It really helps when you're trying to fill a box and you don't want things bouncing around. This is the way to go instead of wasting all this money on bubble wrap. So expensive. You already have the wrap. This is just a way of recycling.
Good.
plastic wrap is heavy and you have one like this with no handles, it can burn the inside of your hands. I'm tired of feeling that feeling. So I wear gloves. And this is a dresser you cannot slide. These type of legs, they can break very easy, especially with all the weight that's inside of it. I'm an expert, I've been doing this for a while, so I know how to handle this. But if you're new and you are pushing this and sliding this because you're tired or fatigued, you're gonna chance breaking the legs. That's very easy, especially in the truck. In the truck, there's more grooves and things on the floor than anything. If you're sliding it and it gets caught on something, you give it more force, these legs can easily break. So be careful and pay attention.
I'm all out of hope. I'm all out of hope. One more bad break could bring a fall. When I'm far from home, don't call me on the phone to tell me you're alone. It's easy to deceive, it's easy to deal, but hard to get released. Eyes without a veil.
If you're carrying a TV like this, make sure that your shoulder is not digging into the screen. I have the screen facing the outside and the back on my shoulder, if worse comes to worse. This is how you carry it. So a lot was going on with this job to the point where we didn't have time to finish showing you guys everything, you know. So we showed you a good amount of the packing and wrapping portion of this job. We're here at the unload. We do have those stairs to go up, so it's up those stairs, 8 steps, turn, 4 steps, turn, 8 steps. Another moving tip, make sure you count your steps. You might carry something in your hands where you can't see the steps, but you have the number in your head, so that's a safe way to go. If you're walking down and you're saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you're safe. But if you're just walking down steps and you can't see, you know, you have a chance of hurting yourself. So that's a good moving tip for you. Count your steps.
Eyes without a face, got no human grace. Your eyes without a face. I spend so much time believing all the lies, keep the dream alive. Now it makes me sad.
If I can get away without wrapping something, yeah, like a piece like this. I covered it when it was inside the truck. I didn't waste my time wrapping it because it's a light piece and I knew I can get away with moving it in the truck without scratching it.
Eyes without a face, got no human grace. Your eyes without a face. I spend so much time believing all the lies, keep the dream alive. Now it makes me sad, it makes me mad at you for loving what was you.
And remember, easy with the drill.
It's gone from your eyes. I better realize. Eyes without a face. Eyes without a face. Eyes without a face. Got no human grace. Eyes without a face. Such a human waste.
See, this is a plastic that I'm saying that you can save.